And now, time for one of our legendary shootouts.
This week's contenders may look like different weapons of war, but under their armour, they have very similar firepower. The Golf GTI has a 200 horsepower, 2-litre turbocharged engine, and it's capable of going from 0 to 62 in 7.2 seconds, with a top speed of 146 miles an hour. At £20,835, it costs over £3 grand more than this. The Skoda Octavia vRS. The Skoda shares an identical engine, chassis and gearbox with the Golf. Its top speed is actually faster at 149 miles an hour, but it is heavier, so 0 to 62 is a tenth down on the Golf. The Czech Republic versus Germany. Should be close.
The Golf GTI, our car of the year back at the end of 2004 when this new version came out. It was our car of the year because it brought the GTI back to Golf. The previous models have been a bit heavy, a bit large, they've grown a bit soft, but this is sharp. This is back where we wanted our GTI to be. 200 horsepower going through those little front wheels. They tend to understeer, the front will push wide. So when you come to a corner, you want the back to step slightly out of line, so it does some of the cornering for you. Even if you can't feel it, even if it's just imperceptibly small, it means that the front will then turn and you can then add the power and come out of the corner using those front wheels for what they're really good at, which is traction with the weight of the engine up the front. It is the all-rounder that we always wanted from our Golf GTIs. It's back. It's brilliant.
And in a straight shootout, the lighter and more nimble Golf beat the Skoda by just over a second. So, to make it interesting, we're going to do the shootout with a twist.
Reverse gear shootout. It's actually about 41 miles an hour now. Do I need to brake for the hairpin? Flatten on the throttle.
And the Golf sets a reversing pace of 90.73 seconds.
Oh. Children, do not try this at home.
Next up, the Skoda Octavia vRS.
See where they've made savings. It's got different steering rack, it's got different damping, and you can feel that in the car. It's just a bit more agricultural, not quite as neat and tidy. And now there's more body roll, there's a bit more oversteer. Just a bit. Basically, it's just a bit more dramatic. And of course, when I'm complaining, I mean, it's so little difference between the two. I mean, and for £3,500, I'll tell you what, it's a difference you'd think hard about before you spent. Right, time to go. Backwards. Oh, is that cracking? Oh, just on the rebel.
And at the radar complex, it's the Skoda that's 0.23 seconds ahead.
That's a tire wall to miss. Good.
But with a bit of a wobble, it's neck and neck round the hairpin.
We're still doing 41, 42 miles an hour as we flash across the finishing line.
Beating the Golf GTI by over a second.
And then straight for the chiropractor and the osteopaths.